Hey Sarah, I just wanted to show you what your classroom will kind of look like in the morning. I wrote geography over the entire board, so kind of ignore that. It won't be that big on your board in the morning, but this is just for demonstration purposes. So every morning you'll come in, you'll hang up your map. So for week 1, we have the world map. So I have my map labeled. I labeled the continents by number, and then I labeled the oceans with letters. So, that's what the setup will look like. Then all of your kids are going to have maps set out on their table. So they will have a colored map that they will look at, and then they're going to have a black outline map to look at as well. So that's what the setup is going to look like for you. So Josiah, I'm going to pass this over to Josiah, and he's going to help me while I try to teach you, or not teach you, but show you how I do it in class. All right, are you back where I told you to be? Mm-hmm. Okay, so the first thing you do when you're tutoring geography, it's quite a long process. It takes a little longer than the 4 minutes. It's actually one of the best subjects to start with. I like to have my kids' maps on the table with a dry erase marker and a little eraser for them to wipe it off when they're finished. So they'll have those maps sitting out for you to start with. And CC wants you to start with the grammar first. So here's our new grammar. We're going to start with the board and with the words. So you would just say, okay, we're going to go over our new grammar for geography this week. This week we're going to be doing continents and oceans. So repeat after me. North America. Go ahead, Josiah.
North America.
South America.
South America.
Europe.
Europe.
Asia.
Asia.
Africa.
Africa.
Australia.
Australia.
Antarctica.
Antarctica.
Our oceans are Indian, Arctic, Atlantic, Pacific. Second step, you go over to your black outline and show them. Okay, let's go over the continents again. North America. And you would say, show me on your map. Point with me on your black outline map. So North America. South America. Europe. Asia. Africa. Australia. Antarctica. Good job. Let's do the oceans. Indian Ocean. Arctic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean. Pacific Ocean. Good job. Then they want you to show them the colored map, which I think for your big kids, I think that's great. I don't know that it's going to work for my little kids. So we'll have the colored map, and we'll do the same thing again. North America, South America, Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia. So that way it's easier to find. The maps are kind of hard this year, especially with Europe. A lot of the things are really little and hard to see. So it is helpful to have the colored maps for moms. I show them, but you have to do what works best for you in class. So you do that. So then I would be like, Josiah, can you show me North America on the map? So he would come up and he would point. Josiah, show me South America. And he's going to point to where all of these places are. And then eventually I will say, find number 1. I'll have the kids label their map too. However, I've labeled it up here. Sometimes I'll label it ahead. I don't think you need to do that for the older kids, but I'll be like, find number 1. What is number 1 on your map? Josiah, what's number 1?
North America.
Good. Josiah, what's number 7?
Number 7, Antarctica.
Good job. Josiah, which ocean is this?
Pacific.
Good job. Josiah, which ocean is this?
Pacific.
Oh, I tricked you. Which ocean is this?
Atlantic.
Which continent is this?
Africa.
Good job. So then, after they've done it, and I'm having a hard time erasing it, I would erase it, and I would be like, Josiah, please come show me Europe, and have them come point on the map. Those are ideas. You don't have to tell them anything about the places. That's for the moms to do at home. You're just introducing the material. So I hope that helps you. Oh, something else that you can do. because your kids are older and most of them have had these before, like it kind of gets boring. So sometimes you have a little bit of extra time. So you could do something called map blobbing. And I think I sent you a packet that had maps in it. Josiah, come on over here.
Okay.
So I can show her. So you can have these maps for your kids. Sorry, I'm having trouble finding it.
Oh,
Sorry.
wait, Mom's in the back.
Oh, here it is. Okay. Yeah. So we have these blob maps that look like this. Some of them are labeled with, you know, the latitude, longitude, things like that, prime meridian, equator. There are other ones. There are some for Europe too. But you can have the kids either trace these with dry erase markers or actually have them draw it out. Josiah and I started blobbing this past week, and this was one of his blobs of the continents and the oceans. So, okay.
I think
hope that helps.